Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WFT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I very clearly have a cold, so I appreciate your patience with my voice. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, then it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out our levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So the first key level that really stands out from the overarching perspective and from the resistance side of things is this purple line right here, the 50-period simple moving average. And it stands out because it already has a track record of knocking down the price. But more specifically, if you look at where the price closed today to close out the week, right at that level. So there's definitely, and I should note that this is not like it's some sort of revolutionary discovery on my part. A lot of people are going to be watching and wondering this same thing. And I bring that up because when a lot of eyeballs are watching and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some pretty dynamic price movements. And a lot of people are going to be, wondering, is the price going to be able to finally break up above that purple line or not? So we'll see what happens with it. But the overall point here being that that purple line, the 50-period moving average, is definitely, that key area of resistance that the price is going to have to try to fight through next week. The good news is, assuming there's no gap downs or anything, the price will be able to immediately resume its battle with it right out of the gates on Monday. Now, in the event the price cannot push up through that 50-period moving average, next key level of support would be down here around the 77-cent mark. So right around 77 is going to be that key level of support. And honestly, if the price cannot push through that 50-period, then it would not be shocking at all to see the price roll back here to 77 cents because that seems to be, the more than logical area where it very well could head. In the event somehow the price not only gets rejected, but then breaks down through 77. At that point, the next key level of support, not until right around the 75.5-cent mark. But as it stands right now, 75.5 is probably getting a little too far ahead of myself because right now it's not even close to breaking, down through 77. But nonetheless, those are going to be the two couple areas of support in the event the price does get rejected back down. So nice little bounce movement today. We'll see if the bulls can break through that level or not next week.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.